Hey everybody, this is Melissa with Design by Ann. So I wanted to share one of the projects that I'm working on. I bought the property back in February of 2019, and what I realized is that during the inspection I saw that there were flagstones that were buried beneath the property in the front lawn. And so today I decided to excavate to reveal them. There is a method on how to do that. So first you're going to need a garden spade, which is right there. Oh, I discovered that spoon also that was buried in there. However, this is what I found. This is the flagstone that's been buried. We're going to get all of this cleaned out. So there is a method to how to excavate these materials. So first thing I did was I dug a trench along the sides. You can see that there's a little simple line using the garden spade, okay, along the sides in order to make it easier to remove the sod from around it. All right, so this is about, in length, it looks to be about maybe 20 feet. It's 20 feet long, and it looks like it's about 2.5 feet wide. And so it won't take long to excavate this. I'll have lawn service to come out and maybe use a trimmer to go in between. But what I think I may do is put in a locking sand gravel so that the weeds won't grow up. So that will probably be the best course of action for this project. So anyway, just wanted to share. Spring will be here before you know it. Happy 2020 to everyone, and thank you for visiting our Facebook page where we share many of our DIY projects. Have a great day.